Good morning, beautiful people. Today I am going to go to the beach. I want to go and get some fish for the cats. Would you like to join me? Yes, you have to join me. So come along, let's go. I'm going to be interacting with the fishermen, so I have to wear my protectives. Safety comes first, guys. I hope you are doing that as well. I have finally gotten rid of the mask and the gloves that I was wearing. Oh, it's difficult. I don't know how these nurses and all these frontliners do it. It's a very big job to do. It's not easy to stay with the gloves and the mask for the entire day. I was barely here for about 20 minutes or so. It was so difficult to breathe and I was sweating. It was not easy. So we have to really salute all these frontliners, the nurses, the doctors, all these personal caretakers, whoever are taking care of us all right now at this time. I hope you enjoyed the little beach that I showed you, a little snip of the beach. I caught some fish also for the cats. My beautiful people, I hope you enjoyed the little tour that I showed you of this beach. I know it's a little snip that I showed you, but I just want to keep my videos as short as possible because I don't want you to get bored, since I'm a new YouTuber and I'm still getting used to making these videos and vlogging. So it's always going to be a little small, and as time passes by, as I see the response, I will keep increasing the minutes. So that's all I have for you for today. Please stay safe, be responsible. Thank you so much. Much love and peace.